Good morning, comrades. Well, actually, it's a very interesting morning because yesterday I was supposed to take my plane back to my personal plane. It's going so well with YouTube recently. Thank you for all the views recently. Take a plane to Zagreb to Croatia, but once I arrived there, like, after 6 months of flying, I forgot that one actually needs a passport to fly or an ID card, which I don't have on me. So anyhow, didn't make it. Massive shout out to Pete, by the way, over there, who tried to bring me my passport in time. But yeah, eventually he ended up driving me home. And today, my taxi to the airport is going to be one and only Mr. Tim Burton, aka Shmee150, in which one?
Choice of taxis. I think we'll go for our first errands in the SLS, but I think your airport taxi is going to be the 675.
Interesting, cool. And it's actually, you told me it's a very interesting fact that those cars are the first time they're together in 5 months, or how many?
Well, ever.
Ever.
It's the first time these two of my cars have ever been in the same place.
Yeah.
Which is really odd, because it doesn't make sense. But when I bought the SLS, it was off being painted. The LT then had to go for some repairs, and then the SLS came over here because I was doing loads of stuff at Rentec and here at the Ring, and then now here we are.
And now that they are the two together, in the past you were kind of like, blue crew and always blue, and now it's like you might assume that all of your cars are Stradman's back.
Well, I mean, they're both purple, blue, same kind of thing, silver wheels, both with silver accents, right?
Yeah.
Basically the same spec.
Exactly. No, awesome. Before we're gonna go to the airport, we're gonna do some typical Nürburgring things, namely stop at TD, get some food, and also do some prototype spotting at Indus.
But the first thing you need is a cold start from a car with car one with headers and ECU with a resonator delete.
Did you drive with it already this morning?
I started it briefly, but it should still be a cold start.
No, but I mean, did you drive? Because I was like...
This car has stayed here all day so far, so if you've heard it, that's concerning.
Okay, no, I thought I heard something with some interesting upshifts and driving away from here. But anyhow...
It should be delightfully noisy.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Oh, it wasn't a cold start!
Oh, no!
The fun is ruined!
All the downvotes are coming for the videos now. Ooh.
Yeah.
Nice. Cool. Love it. Alright, let's hop in, get some schnitzel burger or something. Schnitzel burger? Schnitzel Kutschen, yeah. Yeah. Will that go well? Fun fact, I've never been in an SLS before. None. Let alone Black Series.
You've never been in an SLS?
Yep, none.
Well, your first problem is that you have to reach up for the doors.
Like to where?
Like to the grab handle.
Anywhere? Where?
Yeah, anywhere.
This
anywhere.
one.
But for many people, that's just a small stretch, right?
It's fine.
Whew. Welcome. You have nice aircon. Mercedes, it works.
Yay.
Everything does what it should. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Let's not hit an LT or a GT2 SMR.
Nah.
The first objective of the morning. Okay. Actually, driving normally, this thing is not crazy, silly, or antisocial.
Yeah, we'll get to the straight road and then...
And then it becomes silly and antisocial.
Nice.
It's a lot of fun, this car. It's like waiting. Let's drop some gears.
Nice. Quite some emotion.
It's ridiculous. It's arguably too much. But you can drive it gently. If you put it back into automatic on the gearbox, it's not stupid. It's only when you downshift or when you put your foot full to the floor. Civilized SLS.
Yeah, in a way. It's a good car to get your schnitzel in the morning.
Yes.
Is this? No, that's the window. Where's the...
It's definitely a black.
Tim. How do I open it? That's... here. Stupid me. So, as we arrived to ED gas station for food, there's another Black Series. And not one, but two. That's a spot of the day.
Do you know what?
Why?
I want one of these to be the next car in my garage. Bring back. Mad crazy. I think it's red as well.
Yep.
Really cool.
So cool.
The thing is, it's quite hard to find one cars on the market will be aero kit,
Mhm.
the wing and the canards at the front. Most
Yeah.
of the ones on the market are non-aero kit.
Ah. Well, I think that's like official Mercedes car. Stuttgart plate, C63.
Yes.
I think they're running iPool.
I'm getting far away from you.
Schnitzelpute oder Schwein?
Pute.
Salat, Dessert holen Sie da selber aus.
Frikadelli racing for Tim, huh?
Oh yes. Very nice.
Yeah, more Black Series.
More Black Series. 4 Black Series today.
Yep.
4 Black Series so far.
So far.
Who knows what else is about?
Who knows? We will see.
That's what tunnels and bridges are made for. See you in a bit.
See you in a bit. Oh man, the new cigarette butt, so annoying. Anyhow, Tim has some sudden business to take care of, so he won't be joining me for prototype session. And as you can see, I'm walking now towards T13, or actually Hatzenbach. And let's see what kind of cars are driving today. I was a bit late with filming because I'm walking here and then I heard this flat 6. It did not have the big spoiler of a GT3. This means that it's a GT3 Touring. We already spotted that car before, 992 GT3 Touring. And another Porsche. Cool, so we're gonna have lots of Porsches today. So that was okay, some students to get the industry pool license, but the Cayman, it was a GT4, but everyone is waiting for a GT4 RS. Could be that they're running some modifications to test some modifications that are coming on the RS, on the non-RS version, who knows, but I couldn't hear if it was a PDK because I'm pretty sure the RS version is going to be PDK. Yeah, that's clearly a Touring. Central pipe exhaust, the air outlets on the hood. Going to be an exciting car. I guess that's the new C-Class. 2 Audis, probably also L, yep. A lot of people are getting industry pool license. I guess that's good. Means more drivers, more cars, more content. Gotta love the naturally aspirated flat 6. It gets me so excited that I even forget how to speak. Ooh! Range Rover, Land Rover, Discovery, something big. Yeah, I think Discovery. Ah, the big kidney grille. The new M3. Of course, everyone is waiting for the M3 Touring, and I believe they said they're gonna start testing with it in October. So excited to see that. Taycan Sport Turismo. Oh, that's such a sexy car. And another regular, the Hyundai whatever. I forgot already what we thought it's going to be. The Black Series that we previously saw at the gas station. And the actual GT3 could be also the RS, because according to some sources, The RS is being tested already. They are running pretty much the same mules, so we'll see it soon. Sorry, it's hard to talk when there's an emergency helicopter flying over us. Oh, I think I should get moving because it's gonna get wet, very soon probably. By the way, guys, did you see the new Spider? Not talking about car in this case. The new Panamera. I wonder if that's an e-hybrid because of the additional stickers. Oh wow, look at this. Someone had a nasty one. Yeah, because of the stickers that probably indicate the fact that it's an electric vehicle or it has some sort of battery on board. This one is very cool. You seen the plates of the red car? It says WOB, which means Wolfsburg, and you probably be like, okay, so Porsche with Wolfsburg plates, Wolfsburg means Volkswagen, so they're two related. What's so special about it? But no, Wolfsburg also relates to Bugatti, and this was actually a Bugatti test driver that I met when we were doing the Chiron thing, Chiron Pool Sport thing, a month ago by now already, or even 2 months ago. And he's getting his license. I briefly met him at ED gas station, so pretty cool, pretty cool. So does this mean we're gonna have more Bugattis here? Time will tell. Is that a US spec TT? Are there even TTs in the US? Anyway, I think it's time to go home because there is not much left. And what's this? Is this some sort of puzzle hint? Fast forward.
Let's see if we can get this in here. Okay, where there's a will, there's a way. Thank you for having perfectly shaped luggage for this car.
Yay! Woohoo!
The luggage car.
And the drive car.
And the drive car.
The taxi car. Let's roll.
Where are we going?
Frankfurt Airport.
Frankfurt Airport. Are we going to successfully make it?
I hope so.
You've got your passport?
I do. Can you do the wiper thingy?
Can I do the wiper thingy?
Yeah.
Let me clean the window.
Yeah, that's
There,
beautiful.
all that rainwater. Nürburgring things. All right. We've got the thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
That means it's time to rock and roll.
Woo!
Now we have to be stupidly careful because we're on Trofeo R's in the rain.
Ah, it's fine.
Have you ever been on the Autobahn on Trofeo R's in the rain?
I've been on Cup 2s, I think.
Cup 2s are not as bad as Trofeo R's, believe me.
Yeah, that's true.
Trofeo R's are absolute death if the weather gets nasty.
Yeah. I've been on Michelin PS4s in snow though, on Autobahn. That was also fun.
Okay. Okay.
Looks good from here, huh?
Looks very good from here.
Okay, luggage out. And we can go. Thanks for the drop off.
Pleasure. See you later, dude.
See you. Bye. See ya. Bye bye. Thanks for dropping off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in tomorrow's video when I don't know what's gonna happen. It is a very interesting experience with everything being so empty. Last time I was here, which was obviously before lockdown and everything, was full of people. Most of the shops are closed, some are open. And for tonight's food chat, this sad piece of salami. Cannot wait to get back to Chivapi.